Your Excellency, Prime Minister Raila Odinga, Your Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka, Excellency Governors present, Honorable Members of Parliament, Senate and the National Assembly, members of the County Assembly, investors, friends, farmers, members of the Diplomatic Corps, friends of Homa Bay, and the people of Homa Bay, good afternoon. I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you all to Homa Bay. I'd like to recognize the governors who have made time to come here today. Governor Johnson Sakaja of Nairobi County, asante sana for making time to come. Governor Paul Otuoma of Busia, thank you very much for making time to come. Governor Ochilo Ayako of Migori, thank you very much for making time to come. Governor of Siaya County, Governor James Agri Borengo, thank you so much for making time to come. Governor of Machakos, Governor Wavinya Ndeti, who has been here with us for the last couple of days. Deputy Governors, starting with my own Deputy Governor Oyugi Magwanga, thank you very, very much for coming. Deputy Governor of Bomet County, thank you very much. Deputy Governor of Kisumu County, asante sana. And Deputy Governor of Vihiga County, asante sana. Let me also recognize the Principal Secretary for Investments, Abubakar, who is also present here. Principal Secretary for Devolution, Teresia Mbaika, who's been here with us also since yesterday. Asanteni sana for making time to come. Let me also recognize Governor Emeritus Wycliffe Oparanya, Governor Emeritus of Kakamega and former Chair of the Council of Governors. Governor Emeritus Charity Ngilu, asante sana for making time to come. Governor Emeritus Nderitu Mureithi, asante sana for making time to come. Former Governor Laikipia, Governor Mwangi wa Iria, former Governor of Muranga County, my own former professor, Professor Olive Mugenda, who's chairman of the Kenyatta University Hospital, asanteni sana. We will quickly move through the program, and I'd like to take this opportunity to invite here to recognize members of the county assemblies. Honorable Richard Ogindo, who's Majority Leader of the County Assembly. Please come together with the Speaker, who will speak in 2 minutes on behalf of all county assemblies present. Asante sana. I'd like to require silence back there. Adwana kwau ni wane investment conference. Kora mina wane investment conference. Akwai. Aya. Majority Leader, please just recognize the members of the County Assembly. They will only rise and wave, and then you will retreat.